What's up guys, thanks for checking out this guitar tutorial. In this beginner guitar lesson we're going to look at how to play Justin Timberlake's Can't Stop The Feeling on the acoustic guitar. If you like this channel, please make sure that you subscribe, and if you found this video useful, please make sure that you give us a thumbs up as we go along. Right, let's dive in and take a closer look. Right then, to play this Justin Timberlake song you're going to need to know a couple of chords, and they are C major, A minor 7, F major, and then we've got the pre-chorus, which is a sort of a B flat over C. We'll have a look at that chord in a bit more detail in a second. Back to the C. And then we've got a B flat with a G, and then an F minor 7. Right, let's have a look at these chords in a bit more detail. So, we have got our C major. First finger is going on the first fret of the second string. We've got our second finger on the second fret of the fourth string. And then we've got our third finger on the third fret of the fifth string. And we're going to strum from string number 5 down. So for the introduction, I'm just going to let that ring out. I've got this feeling inside my... And then I'm going to go to the A minor 7. Which is, first finger is going to stay exactly where it was for the C major on the first fret of the second string. And all we're going to do is take off our third finger, because the second finger is going to stay exactly the same place. So we're just actually taking off our third finger on the third fret. Inside my bones. And then we're going to go up to the F. We'll say up to the F, we're going to go sort of to the F, I guess. Now, I prefer playing my Fs as a bar chord, but if you're not familiar with bar chords, what I'm doing is I'm putting my first finger over string number 1 and 2 on fret 1. I've got my second finger on fret number 2 of the third string. I've got my third finger on the third fret of the fourth string. And what I'm doing is that I'm putting my thumb over the sixth string on the first fret. It's a bit of a cheat, but if you prefer to play it than that, if you don't know your bar chords yet, that's absolutely fine. So let's put those three chords together. I've got this feeling inside my bones, baby, when it takes. So we're going back to the A minor 7 there. So C to the A minor 7 to the F major to the A minor 7. So let's have a look at the sort of rhythm for the first bit. So for the introduction and verse 1, I guess, it's very simple. We're just going to strum. Let all those strings ring out, apart from the sixth string. So we're just going to go 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go and make it a little bit more interesting as the second verse kicks in. Dun, 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 dun. Same chords, it's all in the right hand this time, so I'm going. And what I'm doing, I'm muffling some of the strings with my palm as well as I play, so. Right, let's have a look at that bridge section. So, we have got our first finger on the first fret of the first string. We've got our pinky finger on the third fret of the second string. We've got our third finger on the third fret of the third string. We're going to let that D string ring out. Oh, sorry, there, D string. And we've got our second finger on the fifth string of the third fret. And we're not going to play string number 6. We're not going to bother playing that one. We're going to play from string number 5 down. And then we're going back to the C major. And then we go back. And then we're going to move to our sort of, I guess, it's a A-flat shape. Sort of an A-flat position. So what I'm doing, I'm barring from string number 5 all the way down. So string number 5 down to the first string, and then I'm putting my pinky finger on fret 3 of string 1. To the B major. You can play that as a power chord, so you can go first finger on the 5th string, 1st fret, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 4th string. And then F minor 7. So we're going to bar the whole of fret 1 and put our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. And that's going to lead us back into the chorus section. That one more time. And then the chorus section is exactly the same chords as the verse. But again, we're going to make it a bit more rhythmical in our right hand. So I'm just going to slow that down a little bit. So I'm controlling the strings with my palm as well. So I'm muting some of the strings as I play. So it's a bit of a rest there. Let's speed it back up. Those are the chords all the way through the song. The most complicated bit of the song is that bridge section. It's very hard to press and get enough sort of strength over that first fret. Even I find it a bit difficult sometimes, so make sure that you practice that chord and even your first chord there. That's the tricky one. Make sure that you're pressing nice and hard on those strings. If you find this tutorial useful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. We shall see you very soon.